Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Voltas top-load washing machine. First, let's get it set up. Connect the water inlet hose to your tap and the outlet hose to a drain. Make sure both connections are secure to prevent any leaks. Then, plug your machine into a grounded electrical outlet. Finally, place the washing machine on a flat, stable surface. This helps reduce noise and vibration during operation, ensuring a smooth wash cycle every time. Now, let's talk about loading your laundry and adding detergent. For best results, load your clothes loosely, filling the drum to about 3/4 of its capacity. Overloading can hinder cleaning performance. Next, add your detergent. If you're using liquid, pour it into the liquid dispenser. For powder, use the main wash compartment. Always refer to your detergent's instructions for the correct amount, typically around 1 to 2 scoops for a standard load. Choosing the right wash cycle is crucial for effective cleaning and fabric care. Your Voltas machine offers several programs like normal for everyday items, delicate for fragile garments, heavy for tough stains, and quick wash for lightly soiled clothes. Simply turn the dial or press the button to select your desired program. Some models also allow you to adjust the water level and temperature, giving you more control over your wash. Once your wash cycle is complete, it's important to follow a few simple steps for post-wash care and maintenance. Remove your clothes promptly to prevent wrinkles and the growth of mildew. After emptying the drum, wipe down the interior and the detergent dispenser with a damp cloth to remove any residue. Finally, leave the lid open for about 30 minutes to allow the drum to air dry completely. This helps keep your machine fresh and ready for its next use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.